Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the coolest fidget spinner out of using these two fidget spinners that I've already tried. If you haven't seen my Bean Boozle challenge, go watch it now. And so basically, it's very simple if you have two fidget spinners. So basically, all you have to do, just spin this guy away and spin this other fidget spinner a different way. And I'll show you what that looks like. And there you have it. Looks cool, right? And that's it. That's all the things you can do. But there's this cool combination. So if you spin them both ways, the same ways, I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, what's this? Popcorn?
You're recording.
Oh, yeah. And my dad just gave me this. And that is very kindful of him. That's him right there. And I'm going to show you the next video I'm going to make of. And I'll see you in the next episode. Oh, and the creator is me. It's me, Mario. Just kidding, me. It's me, Brandon. And I'll see you in the next episode.